Let's find cosine of 4 sine inverse of x. So first of all, this is x. What you really have to do that is make a little triangle. Not that you have to, but it's helpful. Now this is really x over 1 here. So this is x, this is 1, this is your theta. So this represents the theta. Now by the Pythagorean theorem, this is 1 minus x squared. So now we have the following cosine here of 4 times theta. And remember again, theta is sine inverse of x over 1. So that's equivalent to cosine of 2 times 2 theta. There's an identity, whatever this angle is, 2 theta in this case, that says it's 1 minus 2 sine squared over whatever this angle is, which is 2 theta in this case. And then you have 1 minus 2. You can write this as follows, is sine of 2 theta, that quantity squared. It's going to give us the following. Let me fix that. So 1 minus 2. And then this becomes 2 sine theta, cosine theta, squared though. Keep that in mind. Again, identities. 1 minus 2. And this is 2 sine of theta, according to this, is x. Cosine of theta is just this divided by 1. So it's 1 minus x squared. But this is all squared, keep in mind. So you have 1 minus 2. All right, and then you have here, let me pull this down. 2, so you have 2 squared, which is 4x squared, and then here this cancels with this, so you have 1 minus x squared, which means at the very end we have 1 minus, let's see, 2 times 4, so 8x squared times 1 minus x squared. That's an expression for it. Leave a like if it's helpful.